Hello everybody, my name is Sam and welcome back to English Fiesta. Today we're going to be playing a game. We're going to be playing a game to help you learn English. The game that we're going to be playing today is called What's in My Bag. It's called What's in My Bag. How this game is going to work is that I have a bag. I have a black bag with me, a backpack. I have a backpack, and inside my backpack are 4 household items. There are 4 items that I found around my room. So how the game is going to work is that there are 4 household items inside my backpack. There are 4 items that I found in my room inside the backpack. I am going to take out the items one at a time, but you are not going to see them. You're not going to see the items. I am going to describe the items to you, and hopefully, if I do a good job, you will be able to guess what the items are. Okay? Are you ready to get started, everybody? Then let's go. First, I'm unzipping my bag. I'm having a look. I'm looking inside the bag. Yep, there are the 4 items. Okay, I'm going to take out the first item now. Okay, this item smells good. This item smells good. It fits in one hand. It fits in one hand. It's a cylinder shape. You can buy this item in a supermarket or in a pharmacy. You can buy them in a supermarket or a pharmacy. You use this item every day. Or at least I hope you use this item every day. Otherwise, we'll put you on Justine's Things That Stink video part 2. Okay. Are you ready to guess what the item is? Are you ready to guess what the item is? Guessing in 3, 2, 1. Okay. Well, now you've guessed, I'm ready to reveal the item to you. The item is a deodorant can. The item is a deodorant can. You use deodorant so you don't smell. You use deodorant so you don't sweat and smell. Okay? Great job. Now, on to the next item. I'm searching for the next item. Okay. I have it with me now. Ooh, this is going to be an interesting one. This item's quite small. It's not really small, but it's quite small. It can fit comfortably in one hand. It can fit comfortably in one hand. The item is electric. This is an electric item. You would normally use this item in the bathroom. I don't think you would use this item in another room. You normally use it in the bathroom. This item is a male grooming product. It's a product that makes men look cleaner. A product that makes men look a bit better, maybe a bit cleaner, less rough. Okay guys, so I've given you the hints, I've described it to the best of my abilities. So yeah, I'll take your guesses in 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm not sure if you got it right because I can't hear you, but we will. It's time for the big reveal. It is an electric razor. An electric razor. See how it fits comfortably in my hand. There's lots of extra space. Not very big. It's an electric razor. I use it to shave my face. It has a clip on it, a cover on it. I use it to shave my face. Great job. Okay, now into item number 3. Okay, I have the third item. This item is medium size. It's an item that holds a liquid. An item that holds a liquid. It's not that, don't worry. An item that holds liquid. The liquid inside of this item isn't like water. It's not like water. It's a lot thicker, but it's still liquid. It's viscous liquid. It's a lot thicker. You would use this item in the kitchen. You would use this item in the kitchen, but you would not use this item for cooking. It's not a cooking item. Okay, one more hint for you. You squeeze this item to use it. You squeeze it to use it. Okay guys, I've given you all of the tips, my best description, and it's time for your guesses in 3, 2, 1. Once again, I don't know how you did because I'm not there, but I can reveal the item. It is washing up liquid. This is called washing up liquid. If I have eaten in my bowl, after I've finished eating, I would use this to wash my bowl. It's washing up liquid. Great guys, really good job. How are you doing so far? Hopefully well. We'll go into the last item. Now, this one is worth 2 points, but it's a little bit difficult. It's a little bit trickier. I've taken the item out. Okay, this item fits perfectly into 2 hands. You use this item with both hands. When you use this item, there are lots of buttons. Lots of buttons that you can press. Lots of buttons that you can press. This item is electric. It's an electric item, an electrical item. It's powered with batteries. It's powered with batteries. You put a battery inside it so you can use it. Okay, the last hint I'm going to give you guys is you use this on a computer, or you use this on a TV, in collaboration with a TV, I'd guess. You don't directly use it on a TV, but TV is involved somehow. Okay, if you haven't guessed the item yet, I will take final guesses in 3, 2, 1. Nice. Once again, I don't know. The final item is an Xbox controller, We just call it a controller. A controller that you use to play video games. Have you seen my video about video games? If not, check it out. Shameless plug. Okay, everybody. How did you guys get on? How many points did you get out of 5? Let me know in the comments down below if you enjoyed this video, and let me know how many points you got. I'm interested to see if my descriptions were any good, because I am not sure. I don't know. So, as always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe as well if you want to learn some more English, and yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.